wishing out loud.
Got that 10-pound calico?
I hope so. Been holding my mouth right. Come on, me too, guys.
Just dinner, that's all you need, just dinner. Bring your rod tip back this way.
There's some kind of color.
That's a big one. Bring him over here.
Yeah, yep. They're coming up.
There we go. He wasn't.
That makes my day.
Well, that's got to be 20.
Hey, look at that lure.
Yeah.
Hey, how am I supposed to get that out of there?
Well, you've got more complications because,
I'm left-handed, you know.
well, no, you drop the other lure in and your rod tip and everything.
It's in there. Okay, we're going to do it this way, Ron. It's not supposed to be difficult.
You hooked him with the other hook.
Yep, I did. Yeah, I'm left-handed.
You just re-hooked him.
I'm making headway.
No, you're not.
I got it.
Okay, now take your rod tip out of the net.
Not bad.
Ah, that's nice. That's beautiful. Get your rod tip out of the net.
Oh, yeah.
There, now I can move the net. Maybe I can. Okay. There we go. Now I'll measure.
Holy smokes, 20 inches.
Okay. Well, he looked 20. That'll be a good dinner. That'll be 8 tacos.
Hey,